Hey, so if you want to create documents really fast without starting from scratch, yeah, using Canva Docs templates is the easiest way to do it. You get a ready-made design and structure so you can focus on your content. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva Docs templates for fast work. So let's get started. First, go to Canva and open Docs. From here, you'll see options to start a new document or browse templates. Now, scroll through the available templates. You'll find options for reports, resumes, proposals, and more. Just pick what matches your goal. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open and start editing. Yeah, it loads instantly with a full layout. Next, replace the placeholder text with your own content. Just click and type, it's that simple. Now, adjust fonts, colors, and layout if needed. You don't have to change everything, just tweak it to match your style or brand. If you need to, you can add new sections or remove ones you don't need. Yeah, templates are flexible. To work even faster, use Magic Write to generate content like summaries or ideas right inside your template. You can also reuse your edited template for future work. Just duplicate the document and update the content. Finally, export your document or share it directly. Your template-based doc is ready to go. So yeah, that's how you use Canva Docs templates for fast work. It saves time, keeps things professional, and makes your workflow way easier. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.